Hi, we are doing logarithm. The question is express in terms of log 2 and log 3. Okay, before we start the question, let's see the laws of logarithm. Log A into B. If this is the case, then this is equal to log A plus log B. Fine. Then the second one is log A by B, that is A divided by B is log A minus log B. Then the third one is log A raised to the power n is equal to n comes in front of the log and it get multiplied n into log A. So these are the rules. So first one is log 36. Now I have to express this in the form of log 2 and log 3. So first job will be to factorize this with the smallest prime number, that is 2, right? So 2 ones are 2 and 18. Then 2 again, 9, 3, 3, 1. That means log 36 can be written as 2 square into 3 square. Fine. Now we saw the rule, that is log A into log B is log A plus log B, right? And then the other rule states that if the log is raised to any power, the power comes in front of the log. So this can be written as 2 log 2 plus 2 log 3. Fine. So log 36 can be written as 2 log 2 plus 2 log 3. Then we have log 144. Same way, what we will do, we will factorize 144. With 2 will start, 72, 2, 36, 2, 18, 2, 9, 3, 3, 1. Same way log 144, that is 144, can be written as 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So this will be written as 2 raised to the power 4 into 3 raised to the power 2. Again, log A into B is log A plus B, where we have seen here on the top. Fine. So this will become log 2 raised to the power 4 plus log 3 raised to the power 2. Again, we know that anything log, if raised to any power, the power come in front, that is 4 log 2 plus 2 log 3. So we use the rules of logarithm to solve this. Clear? Now we'll see the other one, that is log 4.5. Fine. So 4.5 log, this will become log 45 by 10, because point को हटाएंगे, so we'll divide it by 10. We can write 4.5 as 45 by 10, right? Now this will, you will cancel this. So this will be 5 into 9 is 45 and 2. So now this can be written as log 9 by 2. And what is log A by B? The rule states this is log A minus log B. Fine. So this will become log 9 minus log 2. Fine. So now we know that log 9 को in 3 form we can write 3 raised to the power 2 minus log 2. And again the rule states that log A raised to the power n is n log A. So this will become 2 log 3 minus log 2. Fine. Now we'll see the other one. The other one is log 26 by 51 minus log 91 by 119. Now again, this can be treated as A and this can be treated as B, right? So we know that log A minus log B is log A by B. Fine. So we will use that rule over here. This will be log A and this will be log B. So this can be written as log A divided by log B, that is divided by only B, that is log this A and this is B. Fine. Put it inside the bracket. You can write like this. Fine. So this will be log 26 by 51 inside the bracket. This is divide. So divide changes into multiplication. The second term is reciprocated. So like this we can write this as, now we can cancel these numbers, right? So 26 is 2 into 13 and 1 is 7 into 13. So I can cancel 26 and 13. We can cancel like that. Even 51 we can cancel with 119. But first we will cancel 26 and 91. That will become 13 के साथ we will cancel. This will become 7. On 119 and 51 comes in 17 table. 17 into 3 and this becomes 17 into 7. This 7 and 7 gets cancelled. So what we are left with? We are left with log 2 by 3. Now again we will apply the rule. Log A by B is log A minus log B. Right? So this will become log 2 minus log 3. Right? So everywhere you have to apply the rules of the logarithm and get to the solution. Fine. Now we will see the other one, which states that the question is log 75 by 16 minus 2 log 5 by 9 plus log 32 by 243. Right? So now what we can do? First we will remove this 2. Let's see how. Log 75 by 16, so we'll write like that. Minus is minus and 2 is in front of the log. We know that log A raised to the power n is n log A. That means if it is n log A, we can write it as log A raised to the power n. So this will become log 5 by 9 and on this 5 by 9 the square will go up plus log 32 by 243. Right? So now this will become log 75 by 16 minus log 25 by 81 plus log 32 by 243. Fine. So now it will be, this is treated as log A minus log B. This can be log A minus log B. We know what is log A minus log B. Log A minus log B is equal to log A by B. So पहले we will solve these two. Let's solve these two. So this will become log 75 by 16 divided by 25 by 81. Fine. So we'll do it. Log 75 by 16. Put it in the bracket. 81 by 25. Right? Let's solve this. It will become 25 5 and this will become 5 ones are 5 and 15. This will become 3. Right? So now we can write it as log 81 into 3 by 16. Right? Okay. Now you can multiply and put it, or you can just treat it as one unit, 81 into 3. What was in front of it? It was log 32 by 243. Now what is it? It is again which form? Log A plus log B form. That means it will become, what is log A plus log b. What is log a plus log b? It is log a into b. So we can write it as log a, that is 81 into 3 by 16 into 32 by 243. Fine. No need to multiply. You can directly write like this. Fine. So 16 into 2. Right. And we know 81 into 3 is 243. So you can write it 243 into 2 by 243. तो 243 cancel, 81 को 3 से multiply कर दिया, then I know it will be 243. So 243 and 243 cancel is equal to log 2. Fine. So this is how we will use the rules of the log to find or express any log in terms of log 2 and log